Did you notice a strange hissing sound coming from under your hood lately? Or maybe a fresh spot of oil on your driveway that was not there yesterday? Your car might be throwing the code P052E, which points directly to a performance problem with the positive crankcase ventilation regulator valve. This is a common code on many modern vehicles like those from Ford, Dodge, and Ram. Your engine creates a lot of internal pressure from the rapid spinning of the crankshaft and the hot oil vapors. And if that pressure is not vented properly, it will start blowing out your gaskets and seals. The positive crankcase ventilation system, or PCV for short, uses intake vacuum to suck those vapors out and burn them off in the engine. Unlike older cars that used a simple mechanical valve, your modern ride uses an electronically controlled regulator valve that the computer adjusts based on a pressure sensor. This sensor sends a signal in units, like kilopascals or inches of mercury, to tell the PCM exactly what is happening inside. If the computer tries to adjust the valve, but the pressure does not change the way it expects, it triggers this code and might turn on your check engine light or even cause a vacuum leak that makes the car idle poorly. You might hear a sucking or hissing noise, see some smoke or steam from under the hood, or notice oil leaking from places it should not be. The main culprits are usually a failed regulator valve, a clogged PCV valve, or even just some cracked and brittle plastic hoses. To fix this, you should first perform a manual vacuum test to see if the engine is actually breathing right. Inspect every inch of the rubber and plastic hoses for cracks or collapses. You can use a digital volt ohm meter to check for a 5-volt reference signal at the pressure sensor and make sure the regulator valve is getting the right ground pulse from the computer. If the sensor is lying or the valve is stuck shut, you will need to swap them out for new parts. Since incorrect crankcase pressure can lead to massive oil leaks that are expensive to fix, you really should not ignore this code for more than a few days. If the engine starts smoking or the oil leaks get worse, get it to a shop immediately to prevent permanent damage to your engine seals.